All right, hello everybody. Sorry we're a little late today. We had some plumbing issues that I had to help take care of, but I'm all washed up and clean and ready to go now. Today we're going to be with Grandma Tanner, and she's going to tell you about some of the different dips that we make and sample here at the orchard. We do have all of our Wildwood dips on sale. Buy 3, get 1 free. Mix and match all those Wildwood dips. Or we also have Country Home Creation dips. These are more savory. They're buy 3, get 1 free, and on each back there's some different recipes Grandma's going to tell you about. But then we also, when we do our sampling, we like to mix some of our products with cream cheese and different things. So Grandma Tanner will tell you what we do here.
Okay, so today I already mixed this up. It's the honey apple pecan dip mix. And you use 1 cup of sour cream. The instructions are on the back of the package. 8 ounces of cream cheese softened and 1/4 cup water with this package. So I put it in there. I thought this would make a nice presentation for any Thanksgiving or Christmas idea.
What's that on top there?
Oh, I got some of our
Bavarian nuts?
Bavarian nuts. I thought that would really kind of dress that up. And when they dip that apple in there, maybe they'll be able to get a nut with it. But this honey apple pecan dip mix, it also has recipes on the inside. And there's one to make a pie with a graham cracker crust. So these dips are really nice, very versatile. The cherry almond is very popular. Now we're sampling these all through November. Well, all fall we've been sampling. This chili con carne mix, queso, you can also make au gratin potatoes with them.
I think I saw 7-layer something other with it.
Mexican layered fiesta dip.
Okay.
So what's nice is these recipes that come with it. So they're not just for dipping, but there's all kinds of other things. And the blueberry walnut dip mix, that's very good.
And a lot of people come in and buy that one for bagel. They mix it with cream cheese and use it on a bagel.
So if you're having guests for the holiday, you mix this up. And it's better that it's mixed, you know, like a couple hours ahead of time. The flavor kind of goes through it a little bit. So that's real good. I'll tell you a little bit about the Wildwood dips. We have been selling them for years. They're just a little package, beautiful stocking stuffers. And let's see, what do they sell for? $2.49 or $2.99?
$2.99.
They're very reasonable. So we have quite a few of them.
Those can be dip or cheese ball.
Yes, and it tells you on the back. Another mix that I've done, this hot Italian olive bruschetta. You take 1/3 jar, just 1/3 of a jar, and mix it with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. And you can use it with crackers, rich crackers, or the wheat thins or any kind, but it just makes a nice little dip.
That's one of my favorites.
It's a little different than just run-of-the-mill. Another one that we've had is this raspberry jalapeno jam. And you take a 1/2 jar and you blend it just a little bit at a time with cream cheese. And you can soften your cream cheese in the microwave for just 30 seconds, which helps. But you just keep adding a little bit of this raspberry jalapeno, but it's a 1/2 jar with 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you get this really pretty pink, so that'd be wonderful for the Christmas holiday.
And that's good with graham crackers or honey grahams or any sweet kind of crackers.
And when you mix it with the cream cheese, it is not, even with the jalapenos in there, it is not hot. A fourth one that I've mixed up is this hot pepper bacon jam. It's really good. You take a half a jar of that with 8 ounces of cream cheese, and you just keep whipping it, and it has all these little chunks in there.
That is one of our most popular jams that we sell. The bacon pepper, the pepper bacon, I can't remember which.
Hot pepper bacon jam.
It's one of our most popular. We usually sell out of that by the end of November. Last year we had a couple people come in, and thank goodness we still had 2 jars left. They split it down the middle.
Mm-hmm. So all of these are good for Thanksgiving and for the Christmas holidays. Now what I like to do is go to secondhand shops, and you can find these plates. I think I got this at a secondhand shop. You don't have to go and buy real fancy things. Sometimes you get them for 50 cents or a quarter, and you put the little compote in the middle, put your crackers and everything, and your dip in there. Now this poinsettia was made by Grandma Margaret Tanner, and I always use this for the holidays because it's just very unique and very in the family, and everybody loves it.
You know what, Grandma? You could probably go make Brenda one of those in Wyoming, Illinois, at your Kiln Me.
Oh,
she probably has something just like that.
Yes, Grandma Margaret Tanner used to go over to Castleton and do all these ceramics. So we all have ceramics from Grandma. Another thing that we sell here is the caramel sauce, and that is really nice for the holidays. You can heat this 30 seconds, take the lid off, heat it for 30 seconds in the jar, whip it around with a spoon, and you can drizzle it on a lot of different things, or just set this right in the middle of a bowl and put your apples all around there, or crackers, and that makes a really nice, quick and easy holiday dip. We are selling these blue cheese Italian stuffed olives.
I don't even like olives or blue cheese, but I actually liked these.
These are really spectacular. On a relish plate, there's something very different.
Or in your martinis.
Oh yes, in the martinis. I picked out these red little ball beets. They're just very nice for a relish plate, and something a little different. We sell a lot of these pickled baby beets.
And they're on sale too this for the month of November. Our stock up for winter sale. We have a lot of different items for sale. You can stock up for winter, get you over the winter till we open up again next August.
Another thing, and we just made a lot of this kettle corn, and if you're going over to someone's home and you want a snack, this is the best. It's made out of white popcorn, and we make it right here at the orchard, and you can just put it in a bowl, and it's a very nice, easy snack. It stays crispy as long as you keep that container closed. It'll stay real nice and crispy.
And you can also freeze. I don't know if everybody knows this, but Grandma and Grandpa Tanner, they like to pop a whole bunch of popcorn at one time, and then they throw it all in their freezer so us kids can come and get it. But you can freeze that kettle corn. It freezes really good, and it stays crunchy that way.
Mm-hmm. So I was going to show you how to slice these apples really easy. I've used this slicer so many times, and we sell them here at the orchard. So you slice all these, and then you cut them the second time, and it makes it really easy because you leave the peels on. Peels have a lot of vitamins in them, so I know these young kids will want to come and eat this plate of apples and a pecan dip.
Now, if your apples, sometimes your apples turn brown on you. How do you keep them from turning brown?
You can dip them in a little pan, like maybe 2 quarts of water with about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. But now these are Honeycrisp, and I have cut a Honeycrisp in the evening, and the next morning it has not turned brown. I don't know what it is about a Honeycrisp, but they do not turn brown. So that's what these are. But it just makes a nice little display here. So if you can all want to come out and get some of these dips and for the holidays, and we have this stock up for winter sale, and our apples are buy 2 bags or 2 containers and get the 3rd one free, and also our cider toward the end of November or the middle, starting November 1st, we have this sale going on, so it's a lot of goodies. So plus all of our Christmas open house is going to be tomorrow and Saturday. So we have a lot of things going on then also.
Amber was asking how much the dips are. The Wildwood ones, I believe, are $2.99. So that's a nice little thing just to have around the house. They are buy 3, get 1 free. And the Country Home Creations, I believe, are $4.99.
$4.99 or
$5.99. I should have checked that out before I brought them in. But they are also buy 3, get 1 free. And then we have our beets are on sale. Our jams are on sale, so you can mix and match the jams, the cider, the apples. There's just a lot of different items that we put on sale. And then we also have our cans for care. If you bring in an item for our local food pantries, you get 20% off of a non-food, non-sale item. We run this every year in November. In our food pantry, they just love it. We get a lot of good stuff for them for the holidays. So I hope to see you guys all out here. And again, our Christmas open house is this weekend, Friday and Saturday. Our hours have changed for November. We're open 8 to 5, Monday through Saturday, closed on Sunday. So we'll all be gone on Sunday. Don't come out and see us then. So I think the kids are waiting to get into Grandma's dips. So everybody have a good day. Thank you.